So guys, EIN that we recently mined, that is Einstein that we recently mined on Satoshi app, is now listed and is trading on MEXC Exchange, that is MEXC. So this is how you get to withdraw your airdrop. That is what I'm going to show you in this video. For you to withdraw your airdrop, all you basically have to do is to first of all head into your MetaMask and make sure that the MetaMask that you're heading into is the wallet that you initially connected on your Satoshi app. Once it opens, select this browser option. Look at this one. Once you select it, you are going to paste in the claim link. You need to have this link. For you to get this link, check the description box of this video. I'll drop the link there so you can copy. Now, here is the link. You paste it in this browser section and then you go ahead and load it up and patiently wait for the page to load. Once it opens up, your EIN balance is going to display alongside what is unlocked to you. As you can see, my unlocked is currently 0.056, and this is because I have already withdrawn my unlocked, which was about 130 something. So now that I'm clicking on confirm again, it will not work. For you to withdraw this your EIN, you need gas fee, and the gas fee you need is core. But the core they are charging you is not even up to $0.5. So it is very low. You can purchase core from an exchange or anywhere that you can get it from, and then you withdraw. After you withdraw, you can see your balance is going to be 138. This is my own balance, 138. Your own can be anything, it doesn't matter. Now, once that is out of the way, the next thing now is for you to withdraw this your EIN to an exchange that you can now swap to USDT. And this is how you go about it. I know a lot of people right now will be looking for the contract address of this EIN, but this EIN does not have a contract address yet that is public, because I came here to CoinMarketCap to look for the contract address so that I can see how I can import it on my MetaMask, but I couldn't find it. And I also checked their X handle. I couldn't get any official note on that. But if I get the contract address, for those of you that might probably need it, I'm still going to be making another video on how to go about this. So you might want to stay tuned on this my channel. But currently, you can see here, it's not on CoinMarketCap. So now that we have that out of the way, let's head straight to withdraw to an exchange, which is now our only option since we cannot get the contract address to now import the token on MetaMask. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your MEX exchange once again. Once it opens up, you click on this wallet at the bottom right of your screen and then select deposit, then click on chain. Now you use the search bar to search for EIN, and as you can see on the screen here, EIN is listed on BNB blockchain. I don't know what is wrong with these people. They listed their token on BNB blockchain, but first of all, we have to claim the token on core blockchain and has to do bridging. So I don't know who does that. But anyways, they listed on BNB blockchain. So what we'll have to do now is to copy the wallet address. As you can see, it's BEP20. So once you copy the wallet address, you head back into your MetaMask. And once it opens up, you head back to the browser page once again, and I'll show you how we do the claiming. But one important thing you must take note of is that it is not all the airdrop you are getting at once. You are getting only 33% of your tokens. The remaining 66%, according to them, they'll release it linearly over 90 days period. That means I don't specifically know what that linearly means, even though I know it is going to be released in a progressive manner. But with 30 days meaning 3 months. So I don't know if maybe they are releasing some percentage monthly or daily or whatsoever. But then that is what it said. They'll be releasing the remaining percentage over 90 days linearly. Now you scroll up on this page and then you locate this page where they say, look at your balance here. Then they say core chain to BNB. Paste in that wallet address that I copied from your MEX. Then I'm going to be selecting all. I want to bridge all. So you click on all and then you confirm core chain to BNB. So we wait for it to load and let's see what the result is. It's supposed to be automatically transferred into that exchange. So it's loading. Let's wait. Now, as you can see, I got an error message I don't know specifically why this is displaying. I will say maybe because a lot of people are currently trying to swap on this page. I don't specifically know. And I don't think the problem is gas fee because I will have seen it. They will have told me that gas fee is not enough. So what I decided to do now, instead of withdrawing directly into my exchange, and I decided to withdraw into MetaMask wallet itself. Since this MetaMask is an EVM compatible wallet, it accepts any chain, so it should accept BNB. So I went ahead once again and let me reload this page. I loaded the page and then went back and pasted the wallet that I now copied from MetaMask and wait for it to load again to see whether my claim or my bridge is going to work. Maybe they're going to send it to this my MetaMask. All right, as you can see, it still did not go through. So I could not specifically figure out the problem, but I'll say maybe because the network is congested, or it could even be gas fee, which I doubt that they would have messaged me because I still have gas fee. So I doubt that is the problem. But then, if I find out the issue, going to be making a follow up video immediately. So if you want to stay in touch, make sure you check the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel. I'll be making a follow up video and I might even be dropping a text. Once I get an information on it, I'll alert my community first before probably doing a video on it. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icons to get notifications whenever we upload a new video like this.